Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge. This is our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. First up is an update from last week's episode. MTH Electric Trains has removed the Homer Simpson auto rack car from its production lineup, likely due to trademark licensing issues. The other 6 auto racks are scheduled to be produced as announced. These corrugated auto rack cars have a suggested list price of $89.95 and are expected to arrive at authorized MTH retailers beginning in September 2025. In response to the current tariff situation, Atlas has announced a price freeze on all in-stock and newly arrived products through the end of May 2025. The firm will re-evaluate its pricing structure as needed based on market conditions as of June 1, 2025. This is the first tariff-related announcement this channel has seen so far from an O-Gauge manufacturer, although several manufacturers in other scales have postponed new product announcements altogether until market conditions become more certain. This channel will keep you updated when and if other manufacturers make such announcements. Also, be advised that many retailers are adding tariff surcharges onto pre-ordered items, including some made by Lionel and MTH. This is on a retailer-by-retailer basis and is not yet an across-the-board price increase. This channel recommends checking with individual retailers regarding their tariff policy before ordering. Lionel Trains has produced an exclusive and limited edition Santa Christmas set for the CSX store. The set includes a modern CSX diesel, 2 illuminated high-cube boxcars, and an observation car with Santa figure. The set is in stock now and has a list price of $550, but CSX employees may be entitled to an unspecified discount price. Menards has introduced a new Main Street series of O-scale structures. This series of structures is designed to be modular, and future releases will integrate together to make a custom Main Street scene. The first structure features 3 pre-lit storefronts, a bookstore, a candy store, and a soon-to-be-opened shop. The buildings are low relief to fit snugly against a backdrop. 2 scale vehicles and a number of scale people, as well as Jack the German Shepherd, are also included. The structure is available now online for $112.35 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Rail King O-Gauge boxcar with power meter in 5 different schemes late this summer. Available road names include Long Island Railroad, Space Command, SpaceX, Union Pacific, and Westinghouse. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in August 2025. The suggested retail price is $84.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale GP9 diesel locomotive in Chicago Northwestern Bicentennial colors for exclusive distribution by Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in September 2025. The early order price is $549.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge operating action car decorated for Ham's Beer for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The car will be produced in extremely limited quantities and available for delivery beginning in September 2025. The early order price is $89.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale GP9 diesel locomotive in Minneapolis and St. Louis colors for Mr. Muffins trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers and produced in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2025. The early order price is $539.96. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge number 193 water tower in a unique Donald J. Trump scheme for Legacy Station. The tower will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $69.99. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time And remember to check out our long format videos on the Toy Train Tips and Tricks channel every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.